Hello, Rosie. How una day? What going? So, guys, join me. Let's wash these beans of mine together for Akara for tomorrow morning. Okay, this one na evening. Everybody does sleep. Now only me and Oga never sleep. Oga they wash film for parlor day. So incident they wash film. So 9 years. Okay, let me just wash these beans for grand. Okay, for tomorrow for Akara. So wetin make me I want tell una say because I don't see so many video they fly around. You know, say internet and so many things. We learn, we unlearn so many things. But as the person wey sabi this game, you know, if you tell me on any other thing. This person wey don fry akara, okay? My mama fry akara, I come dey help pan. I sabi this one well. Nobody fit take am from me, okay? So yeah. So many of una dey talk say this blender no dey fit crush your beans if you wan wash. And I say make I tell you say madam, you need to soak your beans. If your beans dry, you need to put water, let am settle for like 20 minutes. Then you carry your food processor come out and crush am for you. You go wash am sharp, okay? And e go easy for you. So not just believe say you go just put dry beans for your food processor, put water, e go crush am for you, go peel out the skin for you. No, e no fit happen like that. You need to soak your beans first, okay? Yeah. That one. So make I tell una story of Akara. Okay. The story will be say that time wey I dey your wake I dey house with my mama dey fry Akara. So every Sunday, Sunday night we take dey sell, Saturday and Sunday, especially of environmental day. Okay, we dey carry sometimes reach 2 dozen, 3 dozen for environmental day. We go come fry Akara. So once mama dey go church na Sunday, come dey preach. All these pastors dey say, you know, you need to dey come church every Sunday. Make you throw away Akara, to throw away work. Na Sunday na for to serve God well. You know now my mama as na in like serve God. He dey even talk say that Sunday na Sabbath day. He come talk say he go dey go church every Sunday. I come say mama, this Sunday na we take dey sell o. Me go dey help you because me I no dey go church like that. Me go dey help you sell Akara for that Sunday. Okay, I go help you sell and you go dey I go help you dey sell. So how much you want, how much you dey sell that Sunday depends on the akara, the beans wey we wash, how many cup. Sometimes mama say okay, carry 1 dozen. If you say make I carry 1 dozen, me go come carry 14. I go add 2 cup join her. So sometimes mama say bring 600 cup for me. I'll come wash the beans finish, come carry and go machine place. Yeah, local aging. Hey, no be now wey person get blender they do so many things. Abeg, this story go continue for when we dey refry Akara for the next morning because the video don dey finish. So because we get so many story to tell, okay? Make una enjoy. And for those people wey dey say the blender not dey crush beans, soak your beans first.